To make L sound in straight stroke, we can use L in between the words like this. Deeply. How write? Deeply. Deeply we write. Here this outline like this. Deeply. Then briefly. Briefly. Briefly we write. Briefly. There the full hook, a big to represent L sound. We write the big stroke, big hook inside the curve. Full. Briefly. Then briefless. But that's all. That's all in this chapter. Now there are these chapters start from 50, 51 and 52 pages. There are exercises, exercise 39, 40 and 41 and 42. These exercises you have to practice in the house. In this chapter also there are gram blocks which represented more shorthand to the long hand. The words like that. The words like represent words principle. How to write principle? A symbol per through the line represent principle. Per through the line. This is a gram block. Principle. Per through the line. It's a symbol word. Principle. Otherwise, how to write principle? Principle. All these consonant we have to write. The whole word we have to write. It takes a long time to write. Like English word we have to write all these to make a principle. See, instead of writing all these consonants and to make short of your time, to make you more speedy, this principle is written per through the line. That is gram law. The Pitman is very intelligent fellow. He has further made shorthand very easy to study. There is per through the line is principle. This is gram law. You have to practice. Then truth. Truth. Ter through the line is truth. That's all. Udahana doctor. How you write doctor? Der above the line. Doctor. Is it simply doctor? Otherwise, what do you have to write? Doctor. All these outline you have to write to make a doctor. So instead of writing all these things, you simply write der above the line, doctor. Is symbol form of doctor. These are gram blocks. You have to study from this chapter. Practice well and repeatedly study the gram block one or twice, 2 times every gram block in a everyday manner since beginning to end till the lesson you studied. So gram block make you more speedy. This chapter is over. Let us go to chapter 12. Chapter 12 speaks about additional signs for FR and VR. FR and VR. To represent FR and VR sound, additional signs are used. How it is used in stenography, we have to study. R or S are not hooked for the addition of R or L. They are, however, hooked to provide alternative forms for FR, FL, VL, THR, DHR. Thus, how to write word. To make a word sound, we write like this. The R hook, then V, word. Then how to write THR, THR, THR. We write like this, THR. Then full. We studied to make a big left motion outline hook that represents a FL sound. Full, like this. So So this is a left curve. A big curve is represent a full sound. This is ither sound, R sound. This we already studied. This is repeating in this lesson also to make you further correct your memories. Now, how we will write verbal? Verbal. Now, thermal. We write like this. Then leather. Leather. Then lover. How you write lover? Lover on the line. Lover. After the vowel is also marked. Lover like this. Leather. Thermal like this. The vowels are coming, so you have to note the vowels also. Now, further in this lesson we have to study wool. Now, full and wool. Full and wool. We have studied fur and wool. Now we have to write full and wool. FL sound and VL sound. How to write here FL sound? The right cause full is full. The bigger hook. Instead of writing small, because this is R sound, this is L sound. If it is a big hook, it represents L sound. If it is a small hook, it represents R sound. So we are studying full and wool now. So R we already studied. Now the example kavil. All right, kavil. Kavil, above the line. Kavil, the wool. Kavil, the navel. I write navel. Navel. On the line. This is second place vowel. Navel on the line. Another is flow. I write flow. Full vowel and flow on the line. Flow. Second place vowel. Flow. Like this. Now, how we write in between the ill sound. That is intervening vowels in this lesson. That is called L. In order to obtain a brief or an easier outline, an initially hooked form may be used even when a vowel separates L or R from the stroke consonant. Where necessary, an intervening dot vowel between a stroke and an initial hook may be indicated by writing a small circle instead of a dot. Instead of dot, we can write a small circle. Example, in some stroke, when you write two consonants, to represent a vowel, instead of writing the vowel, D sound or S sound, we write a small circle. For example, like this, sharply. Sharply. How will write sharply? Sharply. Sharply, in that case, sharply, sir. Sharply. Lee followed by a vowel, that is why we write like this. We cannot write pull. Sharp in between there is a vowel. To mark that vowel, we write a small circle. This is in this case, this is represent a vowel. This is a small circle represent a vowel. Sharp in between the stalk, zir and sha and r. In between these words, the vowel, to represent that vowel, a small circle is used. Instead of writing a vowel, we write a small circle to represent this vowel. Sharply. So a small circle is used to make S sound, and plurals also we write plurals also. Now we are writing for to represent in some place vowel also. To make S sound, to make vowel sound, to make plurals also we write this small circle. We study it. Sharply. Now next, barely 1 minute. Challenge. I will write challenge. Challenge. We write chill. Challenge. This L sound is in between. That is why we write a small circle here to represent the vowel. So this is challenge. The circle is here because the vowel come after che. So like this, challenge. Now nullify. How we write nullify? Nullify. Nullify. Now there's a vowels. Nullify vowels, or the vowel comes in between N and L. That is why we cut this line. Instead of writing here, we cut the line because this vowel, the dash vowel has come, second place vowel has come in between L and N. That is why we cut the line to make this vowel, to clearly write this vowel. Nullify. Phi is diphthong. Yes, diphthong. Then nullify. Nulli. E sound is also there. So that is marked in the third place before the stop. So nullify. This is on the line. So this is nullify. In between what happened, the vowel, to make the vowel sound L and N between, we cut the line and with a small tick, short vowel we use, and we write like this to make this sound a null, NL sound. Next is how to write dark. Suppose dark. Dark. R sound is there after the stroke D to make that dark. In between, to make the vowel in between the stroke D and R, we write a small circle. This small circle write a vowel. This is represent a vowel. Dark. Now we understood. To make S sound, we use S. To write in between the vowel also we write S. To make plural also we use small circle S. So 2-3 times we use this small circle to represent various forms of vowel as plural sound in between the vowel, in between the stroke vowel, like this. Now, tore. That's over. This lesson is over. Now, in this lesson, the exercise starts from page 55, 56. The chapter exercises are 43, 44, 45, and 46. So this chapter 12 is over. In this also there are gram blocks. I will write some gram blocks here to make you understand. In case you any doubt, you can make query in my channel. I can clear your doubts. But my request is that for to make memory proper, you have to practice the gram blocks daily. All the gram blocks what you have studied since beginning to till the lesson you studied on a everyday basis. In this chapter, the gram blocks are people. How to write people? People. To write the full outline, people, like this outline. If you write pull, we have already studied L hook. So if you write like this, people through the line, this represent people. Now the next gram block is belief. This pull, thin. This is thin stalk. The belief. To write belief, you have to write bill, thick. This is thick and thin, this is thick. That is the thick and thin difference. Thin, it is people. If you write bull in thick, that is belief. Now, till. Till, how to write till? Till like this, through the line. Thin. This is thin, till. Otherwise, you have to write till like this. Instead of writing this, till. Because we have studied L hook. So instead of writing this full stop, two stop, you can write symbol till. Till through the line. This is till, T-I-L-L, till. Like this, however. However is a common word. Always we write. To write the stroke of however is very difficult. For that, Pitman introduced however, how to write however, word through the line. This however, very simple. Like this, valuation. How to write valuation? How to write valuation? Will above the line, valuation. This is phraseography. Grammar, it comes in gram blocks also. In further advanced phraseography also you will see valuation for valuation, will above the line. Va and will stop. If you make it small, this is full. This is full, fur sound. If you write a big one, then L sound. That is the difference. So like that, this lesson is over. Please study well and practice in the house and subscribe to my channel and see the next shoot.